Do a skank and get one.
Hey, your guys' relationship lasted longer than the Confederacy.
Hey! Your child has been alive longer than the Confederacy. I've been drunk longer than the Confederacy.
Oh, I got one already. Thank you, guys.
All right, we're gonna get serious. All right, we're gonna do some more songs and things, but like, I don't know. I kind of want to do a cover. You want to do a cover? Let's do a cover, man. What do you got? What are you feeling? All right, cool. Hey, you guys want to hear us rap? Hey, do you guys want to hear us talk about politics and the economic situation? Yeah! Yeah, I feel like I'm listening yes to everything.
Shrimp fried rice! Shrimp fried rice! Shrimp fried rice!
Yeah!
It's very easy. Everybody hands up!
See?
I don't even have to say Simon Says. It's very easy up here. I love that shit. I have, and I will again.
Allow me to make this drop like a nature
Rhythm, you have it or you don't. That's a fallacy, I'm in them.
Every try to piece, every try to see, every see what your eyes, I see the truth in the mind. You run, you need a step, I'm talking in a run. Now you realize, you are somebody, but I'm not gonna even mind.
Here's your mind. Y'all can see me now, but you don't see with your eyes. You can see with your mind. That's the end. So I'ma stick around for us and be a mentor. Fuck a few times, you motherfuckers. And if I was Spencer before I met Kat, I would say, I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad.